Did you know? About 53% of visitors abandon a website due to slow loading speeds. That's right. It causes huge customer and revenue losses. And according to Forbes, today 4 times as many consumers would prefer watching videos and visuals on a landing page to understand a product or service than reading. Now answer this one. Are you sick and tired of paying monthly subscriptions to cloud storage services like Google Drive, Dropbox, Amazon S3, and to video and image hosting providers? Those are slow, they're frustrating to deliver your videos. Of course, the training that you may have, the website images, any other marketing files, it is a pain. Hi there, on behalf of Dr. Amit Parikh and his partner Atul Parikh, we have an incredible solution for you to get in on all of this. Together, they have happily sold over 9 million in digital products and have 19 plus years of online business experience. And not only that, they've made millions of dollars for themselves, but more importantly, they have also helped thousands of people get their desired profitable business online right from the comfort of their home with zero prior knowledge and technical skills. And while we don't say this to brag, we do want to make one thing perfectly clear. In this digital era, having fast-loading websites and buffer-free videos for any business in any niche is not an option anymore. It is mandatory today. And whatever online business you do online, be it selling digital and info products or promoting affiliate offers or providing freelancing services to clients or selling e-com products or selling done-for-you templates, themes, plugins, running paid ads for traffic and leads, delivering docs and video training to customers, selling high-ticket coaching and webinars, writing blogs on any topic in any niche, no matter what it is, or anyone working on anything online, everybody needs to host and deliver tons of marketing files. It could be sales videos or demo videos, videos for training, info videos, webinar videos, images on websites or landing pages, zip files for product delivery, documents, PDFs, audio, and many other files. And you need to do that faster. That's just the truth. This is the backbone for every profitable business online. Every successful entrepreneur, both big and small, as well as affiliates and product owners, needs fast delivering cloud services to get the unfair advantage. But the problem is, if you are using old school cloud services that are not built to deliver all types of files and not optimizing your files for multiple devices and internet speed, then you are in trouble, because as a result, your videos and websites load slowly, causing you a huge loss of traffic, leads, and sales. You lose a lot of hard-earned money with increased bounce rate and poor search engine rankings. And if you are thinking of VPS or shared hosting services, think again. Do not forget that it is a competitive world and people simply close all websites, pages, blogs, and mobile apps that load slowly, as time is money. And to solve this problem, are you planning to buy multiple recurring apps that charge heavily monthly? I hope not. Of course, you could always waste money paying for multiple expensive monthly options that charge those big fees month after month. But even then, after spending so much time and so much money, there is absolutely no perfect guarantee that you will make a profit or get the desired return on investment out of it. Well, not anymore. We do have the solution for you. Say goodbye to all of that, because you don't have to worry. After years of learning, planning, coding, debugging, and after 8 months of real user testing with thousands of real users, we are releasing our reliable and robust technology that will not only enhance your conversions, but the viewer's experience as well. Proudly presenting CloudFusion, a must-have cloud-based platform to host, manage, and deliver unlimited website images, marketing files, videos, clients' projects, PDFs, docs, and more at lightning-fast speed with zero technical hassles. Let's take a close look right now at how it could skyrocket your results and help your business to overcome those very challenges right now.
It has never been easier to host and manage all your sales videos, demo videos, trainings, webinar replays, website images and other files and deliver those without buffering to your customers, clients, and team members. But with CloudFusion, it's easy and fast. CloudFusion is a must-have solution that replaces multiple old-school slow-loading and costly hosting apps with a lightning-fast user experience to run a profitable business online. It supercharges your website speed, play buffering-free HD videos, host and share marketing files, PDFs, etc. to get more leads, sales and customer satisfaction in 3 easy steps. Step 1: Upload. Just upload any file, images, videos, audios, documents, or other marketing files from your PC once, and CloudFusion optimizes those according to internet speed and makes multiple resolutions for faster delivery on any device. Step 2: Get file sharing code. Just get a code to share and publish your files anywhere on the internet, on your own page or on any website. Step 3: Publish and profit. You can share, publish, or access any file wherever you want instantly to get more eyeballs and start getting profits. No installation, no coding or other techie stuff. In less than a minute, you can publish your CloudFusion images, video, or any marketing file anywhere on the internet. With CloudFusion, you can do much more. Host and manage all your files, any type of videos, trainings, podcasts, website images, PDFs, docs, audio, zip files, or any other marketing file. Supercharge performance of your own and your clients' websites, landing pages, online shops, or membership sites with ultra-fast loading images and videos. CloudFusion delivers them at super fast speed with fast CDNs. After all, time is money. To get your audience spellbound and you get more engagement, leads and sales. Tap into the huge $398 billion e-learning industry, deliver all your videos, docs, or PDF training on done-for-you sites or doc sharing channels. With CloudFusion, you can create your beautiful video training channels, chapters and pages to deliver your training fast and secure and impress your customers. Play sales, webinars and training videos in HD on any page, site, or members area and dominate video marketing. Generate tons of leads and affiliate sales to deliver freebies to build a huge list and boost commissions by giving bonuses to your subscribers. You can deliver them all on beautiful doc sharing pages. Sell products online, deliver digital products, templates, plugins, or any package securely, fast and easy. Want to deliver client projects? We have got you covered, as you can store all your files with CloudFusion and access them from anywhere with unbreakable security. So, whatever your goal is, we have a proven solution for you. It's fast and easy. It's proven and elegant. It's reliable and robust. So, with CloudFusion you get everything max. Max storage. Max security. Max flexibility. Isn't it amazing? But we do not finish here. Always know how you are doing with precise analytics. Know your numbers to improve your marketing campaigns and better results. Share your files on branded file sharing pages. Those are elegant, SEO optimized, and 100% mobile responsive. Share your files privately with your clients, customers and team members. It comes with an inbuilt contact management system. Access files anytime, anywhere with Business Cloud. Unbreakable file security with SSL and OTP-enabled login. 30 days online backup and file recovery. Single dashboard to manage all business files, no need to buy multiple apps. Manage files effortlessly and share multiple files, full text search and file preview. Inbuilt elegant video player with HDR support. AZ complete video training included. You'll get live chat, customer support. Lastly, you don't need to spend a single dollar on buying a domain or spending monthly on hosting. Everything runs on our ultra-fast cloud-based platform. So, I hope you are thrilled with the premium features I just shared with you.
As I already told you, this is a masterpiece. So what are you waiting for? Get CloudFusion for a low one-time fee, but only during this 6-day launch period. After that, it's going back to its rightful monthly price. And if you act now, you'll also receive our limited time commercial license. That means you could use CloudFusion for your clients and charge them monthly for this top-notch solution. This will also give you a massive opportunity to make additional or full-time income each month. Go for this one-time investment that is fully covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee and get access to this ultimate platform. On behalf of Dr. Amit Parikh and Atul Parikh, let me congratulate you on grabbing CloudFusion and proving you are a very, very smart marketer. The CloudFusion team is waiting to assist you and welcome you inside your exclusive members area.